Heavy machine gun.
I got one, dude. No, Susan. Guns right. Oh, someone's right.
Fuck, man. Who's the heavy machine gun, man?